This is the brief on the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. All right, let's talk about India's Hindu Marriage Act of 1955. It's a really big deal because it basically took Hindu marriage from being all about diverse, old customs and turned it into one single legal system run by the state. First thing to know, this act totally changed the game, creating what you might call a legal hybrid. See, before 1955, Hindu marriage was mostly seen as a sacred commitment, a samskara, not really written down in law. This often allowed polygamy for men, and women had pretty limited rights. But then came the act. It laid down the law, enforced monogamy, one spouse only, set minimum ages, 21 for guys, 18 for women, and really importantly, gave women actual legal rights, like divorce and financial support. So it blended the religious feel with solid state rules. Second, what actually makes a Hindu marriage legally stick? Well, the act lays out some key conditions. Like, if someone tries to marry while they already have a living husband or wife, that second marriage is just invalid from the get-go. Void ab initio is the legal term, and it's actually a crime. Now, if someone wasn't mentally capable of consenting, that marriage is voidable, meaning you can ask a court to annul it. Interestingly, if a marriage involves someone underage, it's not automatically void or voidable, but the adults involved can be punished. This is designed to protect the minor, trying to avoid social stigma for them.
Finally, remember, this law isn't set in stone. It keeps evolving through court cases and just society changing. For instance, a major Supreme Court case, Seema v. Ashwini Kumar, made registering marriages pretty much required, which helps tackle problems like fake marriages. Courts have also broadened what cruelty means to include mental and emotional stuff, not just physical. And big debates are still happening about things like allowing divorce simply because a marriage has broken down beyond repair, or tackling issues like marital rape and same-sex marriage within this framework. So yeah, the Hindu Marriage Act keeps adapting, trying to balance tradition with today's world to push for fairness and equality in Hindu marriages.